Are you in your 20s or 30s and figuring out money? One wrong move now can cost thousands later. Stick around. I'll cover 7 mistakes and a bonus tip that could speed up your retirement. Mistake #1. Living above your means. Lifestyle grows faster than income. Buying the latest gadgets, cars, or eating out daily adds up fast. Pro tip: follow 50-30-20. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% save, pay debt. Mistake #2. Not saving for emergencies. Life happens. Unexpected bills can force you onto high-interest credit. Aim for 3-6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Mistake #3. Ignoring investing. Compound interest favors early starts. Even small monthly contributions grow hugely over decades. Pro tip: start small. Index funds or retirement accounts work great. Mistake #4. Carrying credit card debt. Interest eats your future. Minimum payments keep you in debt and cost thousands in interest. Pay in full each month. Use cards for rewards, not as loans. Mistake #5. No budget. Money disappears if you don't track it. Use apps or a simple spreadsheet to see where money goes. Budgeting isn't restriction, it's control. Try Mint or YNAB. Mistake #6. Skipping retirement. The earlier you start, the better. Missing employer 401k match is leaving free money on the table. If there's a match, contribute at least enough to get it. Mistake #7. Lifestyle inflation. Raises vanish into bigger expenses. If each raise triggers upgrades, you never build wealth. Keep expenses steady. Use raises to increase savings and investments. Bonus tip: focus on increasing income, skills, side hustles, promotions. Saving helps, but growing income scales your results much faster. If this helped, like and subscribe for more finance tips. Share with a friend. Question of the day: what money mistake did you make or avoid? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.